Create new folder in project workspace. Create new folder in project workspace. Create new folder in project workspace. Within a brackets, within a brackets, lib, L-I-B. Within a brackets, lib, L-I-B. Small letters, L-I-B. Close the bracket, take the next step. Close the bracket, take the next step. Provide, provide, provide all project related, provide all project related, provide all
ఈ క్లాసు మాకైతే ఇదే ఒక పెద్ద టార్చర్ అప్ప.
Recording in progress.
create text file in project workspace. Create text file, create text file in project workspace. Create text file in project workspace. Create text file in project workspace. Take with the next step.
నీది కనెక్ట్ చెప్పా నెట్ లేదు నెట్ అవ్వు అవ్వు అంటే ఏమైతుంది చెప్తున్నారు
Recording in
is
progress.
totally different tool. Jenkins is totally different tool. Batch file concept is totally different. Nowhere of connectivity. As part of our project requirement, as part of our project requirement, we are trying to utilize. As part of our project requirement, we are trying to utilize all these particular concepts here. So let's see that how we can work on it. First thing, we need to take care about batch file. What is the meaning of batch file? As simple as previously we are working with Eclipse and now continued with Eclipse only. What is the use of Eclipse? Use of the Eclipse.
ఇది రావట్లేదు చూడుపా యాడ్ పెట్టు
ಇದೇ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬೇಯಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ
your
Recording in
programs are
progress.
available, and after that we need to be get provide that particular program name, and then we need to execute. Now what we can do is, rather than we are opening the command prompt, navigating to the respective path, that steps also we can get automated. So that concept only you are taking with batch file here. So what exactly batch file will be doing is, batch file itself automatically, batch file itself automatically, it will go with in opening with command prompt, it will navigate to the respective path and it will execute it. So that is what we have to implement. So how exactly we can generate or we can create batch file here? As part of our project requirement, we are taking with the option of batch file. It's not like mandatory that, it's not like mandatory that everyone need to be go with the same thing. So as part of the requirement, we are taking care about this particular respective batch file. So let's see that how exactly we can do it. For that, we written the steps. What is the first step we written? What is the first step we written? Create new folder. Where we need to create it? Where we need to create? In project workspace. In the project workspace, we need to be get create that particular folder. Our framework folder, batch 28. That is what our framework folder. Continued with the same. Continued with the same. Taking with the same folder. In that folder, we are already implemented all our required features. WebDriver is done, TestEng is done, TestSuite is done, Log4j is done. Continued with the same, you will be taking with. Continued with the same, you will be taking with Jenkins. Further, you need to be create new folder. We need to be provide folder name. What is a folder name? Taking with lib. The folder name we are providing that lib. So first step, we are creating new folder in project workspace. We are creating new folder in project workspace. That will be taking with lib folder. Okay. That is the first step. What is the next step? Provide all project related, what is it? Jar files in lib folder. We created the folder. In this folder, related to your project, whatever jar files has been required, need to be provide all that particular jar files here. Considering that you are working with WebDriver, we required WebDriver related jar files. Then we done TestEng. Related to TestEng, we required TestEng jar file. Then we got TestSuite. Related to TestSuite, did we added any jar file? For test suit, did we downloaded any jar file? No. For test suit, there is no jar file. Then we got log4j. What is a jar file? Log4j.jar. So all these particular jar files, all these particular jar files, we need to be get provided. You need to be get take care about in providing all that particular respective jar files here. I'm taking with, I'm just taking with all the jar files and providing all project related jar files. So related to your project, related to your project, whatever the jar files you required. One is WebDriver, another one is test ng, and then taking with log4j. So whatever jar files has been required, we need to be get provide. We need to be get provide all that particular jar files. Created lib folder. In that lib folder, we provided all project related jar files here. Okay. After that, what is the next step? Create text file in project workspace. We are creating one particular text file. The name you can provide anything. The name you can provide anything based on your comfortable. Based on your comfortable, you can provide any of the name here. Okay. So that I will be taking with run. I'm just created one text file here. What is the next step? What is the next step? Provide batch file related code. So in this particular text file, you need to be get provide the batch file related code. You need to be get provide the batch file related code. You can see that our requirement is to generate the batch file, to create the batch file, to create batch file, to create batch file, we need to write. To create batch file, we need to be get right respective code. Let's see that particular code, how we are writing. Very simple. Set is one command. The set is one command. We are taking one variable. What is the variable we are using? Project location. For this variable, you need to provide, path of your project, nothing but path of your workspace. This is what our project path in my system. This is what our project path need to be get provided. That particular path, providing that particular path. Okay. Then we got CD, considering that change directory. Whenever you got open the command prompt, if you take with the command prompt, what is the path it is referring? C drive. Because of that, we are mentioning that from the C drive, it has to change a directory to project location. That location we are already provided. Now in the same location, it will refer bin folder, and in the same location, it will refer lib folder. In the lib folder, what we provided? In the lib folder, what we provided? All jar files. In the lib folder, we provided all the jar files here. So it will continue in having all the jar files to execute your program. Execution need to be done. To go with execution, that execution need to be take with test engine. While executing, the batch file need to be understand. While executing, the batch file need to be get understand what are all the test cases need to be executed. Batch file will execute. It has to understand that what are all the test cases need to be get executed. For that, you are providing. What you are providing? What you are providing? TestNG.xml. Nothing but as simple as test suite. Need to be get provided. Need to be get provided. Test suite here. So just you are taking care about. Just you are taking care about in having with this particular test suite. In the test suite, you are already having list of the test cases. By that, your batch file will understand what are all the test cases need to be executed. Okay. So we provided batch file related code. Okay, done. What is the next step? What is the next step? Perform save as. We need to perform save as. What is the extension? Extension dot BAT. We need to provide the extension. We need to provide the extension considering the dot BAT. Okay. So we need to be get taking care about having with extension considering the dot BAT. Okay. Let's see that which will be taking with save. So you need to be get taking with save. Then you will be able to see. Then you will be able to see to have batch file. This is the text.
Recording in
Rather than
progress.
executing from Eclipse, we can get executed from batch file. So to implement this particular batch file, to implement this particular batch file, we need to be get take care about following with the steps. What is the first step need to be done? What is the first step need to be done? Create new folder. After that, provide all project related jar files. Okay. After that, what is it? Create text file. After that, provide batch file related code. After that, perform save as dot BAT. So what is the last step? Need to be get taking with double click on that particular batch file. So all that particular steps, everything, it has been documented in your PDF file. So whatever the steps we are referring, each and every particular step, it has been documented. See that, which will be taken with Jenkins. For this particular Jenkins, we need to be generate with batch file. After that, download and install jenkins.exe, and then taking care about configure predefined settings. And what is the last step? Create job schedule. I mean, creating the schedule. Two step need to be create lib folder. Lib folder will be created. You need to copy all project related jar in the text file. You will provide that particular code. You need to save the file as then you will be able to see that batch file will be created. So this is what you need to be get take care about. This is what you need to be get take care about in following with the steps of in creating with batch file. Once batch file created, that is what our first step. Once batch file is created, what is the next step? What is the next step? Download and install jenkins.exe. So this next step we have to take care about download and install jenkins.exe. Okay. For that, see the steps here. You need to be get refer that particular Jenkins website based on your operating system. You will download .exe file. Just double click on that. Once you done, double click. You will be able to see followed all the steps here. Just need to be get continued. Just need to be get continued in performing all the required steps here. First, download .exe file of Jenkins. Then perform the double click. Once you done with the double click, then you will able to see continued all the steps here. Just you can understand all the steps. Complete all the steps here. Once you complete, once you complete
Recording in
once
progress.
your installation is completed, you can just open any browser and you can provide localhost colon 8080. Then you have to able to see that Jenkins homepage has been displayed. Once that homepage has been displayed, then you can confirm that. Then you can confirm that your Jenkins installation has been done successfully. If you are not able to see this Jenkins homepage, then you need to cross check the installation. You have to take care about reinstalling the Jenkins. As simple, once all installation is completed, you can open any of the browser. And what you have to type it? What you have to type it? Localhost colon symbol and 8080. Right. So now you can see that which you will be taking with that particular one, local host colon 8080. So by that you need to be able to see that in having with this particular Jenkins homepage need to be displayed, then you can confirm that Jenkins has been installed. Now see our step. What is the first step? Create batch file. Okay. So that you will be taking with create batch file. What is the next step? Download and install jenkins.exe. Done. What is the next step? Perform perform predefined configuration settings. These particular predefined, these particular predefined configuration settings, it will vary from one particular project to another project according to the requirement. According to the requirement, these particular settings, according to the requirement, these particular settings will make you the difference. According to the requirement, these particular settings will make you the difference here. Now, you can see that as part of our requirement, as part of our requirement, we are taking with JDK path as part of our requirement. JDK path mandatory, email not like mandatory. In case if you are expecting this Jenkins need to trigger an email. In case of Jenkins need to be sent an email, then we have to go with email setup. For now, we are not worried about on that. Just we are taking with, just we are taking with JDK path. Just we are taking care about in having with JDK path, that settings need to be done. So these particular settings definitely it will vary from one project to another project. So for now, as part of our project requirement, we are taking with JDK path. Let's see that how we can do the settings here. For that, for that, in this particular, in this particular home page, you will get an option. What is option? What is option we got? Manage Jenkins. Just you can click on that. Just you can click on Manage Jenkins. And then taking the option. What is option? Configure system. Manage Jenkins. Manage Jenkins. Under that, you will be taking with configure system, which you will be taking with, which you will be taking with configure system. Okay. Now you can see here, which you will be taking with configure system. Now you need to be taking with the option. What is option? JDK. So from one project to another project, settings will make the different. According to our project, we are taking with JDK. In some other project, it will go with and in some other project, it will go with Maven. For now, what is the option we are using?
Recording in progress.
To
Recording
provide,
in
you
progress.
can provide any of the name according to your comfortable. According to your comfortable, you can provide any of the name. According to your comfortable, you can provide any of the name here. Okay. Then you will be taking with the option. Then you will be taking with the option. Taking with freestyle project. Then you will be taking with the option that you will be taking with freestyle project. First, you are clicking on new item and then you are providing the item name. Then you are taking with freestyle project. After that, click on OK button. So need to begin, click on, need to begin, click on this particular OK button. We need to begin clicking on OK button. That you will just click on it, it will navigate to the required page. Just you can click on OK button, it will navigate to the required page. Here you are taking with the option. What is this? Advanced project options here. You got the button. What is it? Advanced. Just click on that. Just click on that. Once you got, click on that advanced. Once you got, click on the advanced. You have to click on checkbox. What is a checkbox? What is the checkbox? Use custom workspace. You need to provide your project details. Nothing but your workspace. In your local system, you have to cross check that. You need to provide your project details. You need to provide your project details. Let's see that how we can provide that particular workspace need to be provided. You have to provide your project workspace details. Okay. After that, the name, you can provide anything. Based on your comfortable, you can provide any of the name here. So the one you will be taking with directory, the one you are taking with directory, nothing but path of your project workspace, and then taking with display name. Okay, done. Next.
Recording in progress.
Build periodically. You will be taking with checkbox, considering that build periodically. Now, this particular checkbox, you need to click on that. You have to provide the time. You need to be provide that particular respective time. Let's see that. So let's see that how exactly we can provide that particular respective time here. Okay. So now that particular time, just if you provide in the normal format, it will not be working. If you provide in the normal format, it will not be working. Jenkins itself having its own time format. Jenkins itself, it is having its own time format. Let's see that how we can provide. Considering that I'm taking H hour, which hour it's need to be get executed. I'm taking with ninth hour, 24 hours format.
ఇప్పుడు బాగుంది.
It will
Recording in
pick the
progress.
remaining things. Now you can see here, taking with every day at the time of 9:18. So every day at the time of 9:18, automatically the Jenkins will start that execution. Automatically Jenkins will take care about in starting that particular execution. So rather than we are executing, we are creating one schedule. So we mention the time. What is the time we provided? 9:18. So by that, so every day, once in your system, if the time is reaching to 9:18, automatically Jenkins will start execution. Either you are available in front of system, that is a different thing. It is not worried. As your system, the time is reaching to 9:18, automatically it will start execution. But your system need to be on only, not like shutdown here. If your system is shut down, Jenkins is not restarting the system or switch on the system. Jenkins
Recording in
schedule
progress.
details. Okay, done. So now you can see that the whole understanding. We got taking with Jenkins. What is the use of Jenkins? What is the use of the Jenkins? To go with scheduled run. That means this particular Jenkins need to be get execute test cases. This particular Jenkins need to be get executed test cases. That particular test case details, we provided in testng.xml. The list of the test cases we provided. The list of the test cases we provided in testng.xml. Now, this particular Jenkins need to refer testng.xml. But the problem is Jenkins directly it cannot refer testng.xml. Jenkins directly cannot communicate with testng.xml. Because of that, what we are doing is Because of that, what we are doing is taking with Jenkins only. This Jenkins will be communicating with batch file. This batch file will be communicating with testng.xml. So don't be confused here. Don't be confused. Our requirement is need to be go with execution. To go with execution, to go with execution, all our required test cases, all our required test cases available in testng.xml. Now, the problem is this particular Jenkins. This particular Jenkins directly cannot communicate with testng because of that Jenkins is referring batch file. Batch file will referring testng.xml. That is the reason when you created batch file, you already created batch file. See your batch file code. In the batch file code, what you provided? testng.xml. In the batch file code, already provided testng.xml. So batch file is communicating testng.xml. According to that, it is executing. That part already done. But the thing is, need to take care about this Jenkins need to communicate with batch file. For that, for that, we are providing, we are providing build details. It will be
Recording in
same
progress.
that particular schedule. You can go to your home page. You will able to see the schedule has been created. But what is the time we provided? 10:18. So in my system, once 10:18 is done, then it will execute. But for now, how the reports will be generated, need to be get look into that. To execute immediately, to cross check the results immediately. So what we can do is, we can use this drop down, the small icon, utilize the option. What is option? What is option? Build now. So you can just use the option build now. Once you click on build now, you will be getting started executing immediately. Able to see the progress here. Batch 28. What is the number it is given? 1. Meaning of 1? Uh, The meaning of one, executing first time. Jenkins is executing that particular schedule, whatever the schedule we provided, that particular schedule is executing for first time here. Are we able to see any browser open? Are we able to see any browser is opening? No, it's not opening any browser, any URL. Everything it will perform in the backend. You are not able to see all those things here. Everything it will perform in the backend only. You will be able to see that particular results. Just will able to see that particular results. Let's see that. So it will take that particular execution. So once execution has been completed, once execution has been completed, you need to be able to see, you need to able to see that particular results need to be generated. So just you are taking care about in implementing with all your required futures. When you guys are practicing, when you guys are practicing, first you have to generate batch file. Follow the step. Batch file will create. Double click on that. It will give error. When you guys are practicing, 100% your batch file will give you error because you need to be more careful with capital letters, small letters, spaces, the code you provided for batch file. But even though your batch file is not working, batch file will create it. Batch file create అవుతుంది. But even though batch file is not working, you can continue the steps of remaining steps. Don't consider that batch file is not working, we cannot continue remaining step. Even though your batch file is not working, you can continue remaining step. Just in the Jenkins, you will get your status is failed. Because of batch file is not working, in the Jenkins you will get the status is failed. So nothing to worry. Just take care about getting comfortable with the steps only. Test case is passed or failed. That part nothing to worry. You guys need to be get comfortable. What are all the steps need to be followed to implement with Jenkins? Let's see the results. This is batch 28. You can open that. You are able to see the option. What is option? Build a history. So you are able to see at what particular time it got executed. Click on that. You will get console output. Then you will be able to see giving with the results. Test run will be the 2, pass will be the 2. When you guys are practicing this status, it will make as a fail. When you guys are practicing, you will able to see touch case status is fail. That doesn't make any problem. Our main intention, what are the steps need to be followed? What are the steps need to be followed to implement Jenkins here? For example, if I'm executing once again, I'm just taking with build now. Then you will able to see that particular progress. What is the count it got? What is the count you are getting? 2. Meaning of the 2? Second time. The schedule is executing for second time here. So just all the steps, very detailed documented in the PDF file. Just look into that particular step. You will be able to get, implement all the required things here. And the last one of our hybrid framework, we need to be get take care about GitHub here. So we need to be get take care about GitHub. That is very small concept only. That will be looking into that. With GitHub, you will be stopping with hybrid framework and then need to be get take care about POM. So don't consider like frameworks will be completed by that. We are stopping up to that because when you're working with the real time, When you work with the real time, the frameworks concept, there is no concept of pulley stop. Only commas are there. So you can give the comma, you can implement one more future. As part of the requirement, as part of that client requirement, whatever the futures you want to be get implemented, you can implement all the required future. There is no concept of pulley stop for the framework concept. But as part of our learning as a fresher level, as experience level of 3 to 4 years of experience, we are stopping up to GitHub here. So that is what we are looking into that. But there is no concept of by that framework need to be stopped. So tomorrow we'll be taking with this particular GitHub concept. Once we done with the GitHub, then we'll be getting starting with another new framework that will be taking with POM. That is very small thing, very simple you will understand because of implementing the similar features. Just will understand what make the difference of hybrid framework and then taking with POM framework. So by that, we will be completing with TestNG framework, hybrid framework, and then POM framework. After that, we need to be get start with lot of other activities need to be done. So step by step, we'll understand about all that particular concepts here. Please take care about the practice. Jenkins installation, little bit it will give an error, but just see that to make that particular installations. So how we exactly can do it. But mainly you guys need to be get comfortable. What are all the steps need to be followed to implement? Go with other things here. So please take care about the practice. Parallelly, prepare for your automation exam. When is automation exam? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. 12. So that particular automation exam will be there on 12. Have any plans according to that. So have any plans according to that. Once you've done that exam, finally you have to go with NASCAM exam. That NASCAM exam.
Recording in
Okay, please take
progress.
care about the practice. Okay, carry on. Thank you. Yes, guys. Online students, if you have any questions, you can carry on.
NASCOM exam I applied 6 months back, sir, but one assignment is pending. It is not showing text, sir. What will
No,
be
no.
done?
Repeat the question.
I registered NASCOM exam 3 months back, sir.
Okay.
3 assignments given, 2 assignments completed. One assignment is they did not tick in that way.
Because your training is not completed, right? Without completing your training, it cannot be enabled. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Right.
Now it
So
will.
sir, yesterday,
After. Mm. Carry on.
I done with for log 4G execution, but both two cases are failed, showing as failed.
No, no. Repeat the question.
Yesterday, I done with the log 4G execution, but
Okay.
both two cases are failed, showing as failed, not pass.
Oh. Without log4j, the test cases has been passed.
I done with the log 4G code. Means
That is what I'm saying now. So see that I'm saying that just what you can do is without implementing the log4j, then first execute your test cases and see that test cases are working or not. Then you will get to know either problem with the log4j or problem with your test cases here. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, log4j.xml file is not uploaded, sir. I think so.
I give an attachment. Just cross check that.
Okay, sir.
It is.
Sir,
Yeah.
one more thing, sir. You shown one PDF, right?
Mm.
That PDF also, I don't have that PDF, sir.
That PDF file in a very starting days only uploaded in the Google Classroom. Once we started the day of our automation testing, have been started. Just you can cross check that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Right. All right, guys.
Hello,
Okay.
hello, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Carry on.
actually, I have already told you, sir. Manual testing again, I'm not rated, sir.